Well, hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to download VirtualBox Oracle. So I'm gonna go on Google. Let me get my page. So Google, all we gotta type in is VirtualBox. Then we go on their website, or you can straight up press on downloads. Alright, so that's how is it gonna look like. Depends on what's your platform. Windows, Air Mac, Mac OS, Linux, Solar. Well, we're using Windows in here, so I'm gonna download the Windows. Right here is showing is downloading. So once it's downloaded, open folder, and then I'll show you. Just let me. So today it's a virtual. That's how it's gonna look like. Double click on that, and then we go yes, next, next, yes, yes, next, and then install. I'll be showing you in the next videos. This one is going to be a very short video, and the next ones will be I'll be showing you how to download Kali Linux, Ubuntu, and whatever you guys will request. I'll show you how to download it on VirtualBox. If it doesn't work on a VirtualBox, there is other platforms that we can use them as a VMware, as a virtual machines, which is like VMware. There is Proxmox. There is a couple more, and then just let me know if you have any application that you guys want to download on a virtual machine. So that's how is it gonna look like from here. Once we have the images for the other operation systems that we want to run, we can just add right here new, and then I will be showing that in the next video. Have a good one, guys. Please subscribe and like if you want to see more.